All right, I had a couple more questions on my dwarf signals and how I install them. I believe I covered it on the other video, but I like to use Tomar for the dwarf signals because they are the smallest that I've found. Now, when you use them, you need to connect a 1500 ohm resistor to the to the red wire, and a 390 ohm resistor to the green wire. As you can see, it's already on the layout. I put a piece of heat shrink around the three colored wires, red, green, and white for the common, and it goes through the straw. On the bottom of the layout, you can see the resistors there, also with a piece of heat shrink. Green wire with a resistor, and the red one. Now, underneath the layout, I will use hot glue to glue two strips of Velcro. Now, these strips will hold the resistors in place, and then I'll solder right to them. The black wire that you see here is hot glued as well, and that will be connected to the white common of the dwarf signal. Okay, there you have it. The resistors are in place, velcroed in, and the white wire soldered to the common, green wire soldered to one of the leads from the hair, and the red wire also soldered to the other lead of the hair. Here I'll show it in motion. It's the last dwarf. I'll select the switch. I'll change it over to the clear route, and they should go to green. Now I'll change it over to the diverging route, and it should go to red. There you have it.